It's the first week of summer. We've heard of spring cleaning where you clean your house up, but how about some summer cleaning? Let's clean the body up for pool season, make it brand spanking new. You're gonna need your favorite cleaning supplies, your laundry detergent, a broom, a towel, and a waste basket. The first exercise is a twist on a clean and jerk. A clean and jerk is a standard powerlifting exercise. Most people have heard of that, but we are going to oxi-clean and jerk. Here's what you do. Back stays flat, you push your hips back, touch the oxi-clean to the ground, jump, elbows poke out, pop it up, arms lock out. Okay, you're gonna do 30 reps of this. Jump and pop. The heart rate should really elevate with this. Jump and pop. You got that? All right, 3 sets, 30 reps. Next exercise with our broom, we have the feet sweepers. I'm gonna sweep you off your feet with this one. You have to hop from either side of the broom all the way down and then back it up all the way back. That's 1. We have 6 of these, okay? All the way back. There we go. There's 2. 6 times, 3 sets. Our third exercise, the waist trimmers. You're gonna take a waste basket, lay on the ground. We are trimming the waist for the pool with this. Now, you don't want the trash to fall on your head, right? Otherwise, this is gonna get messier than you had hoped. So as you crunch up, you have to keep this waste basket straight up over your head. There we go. You're gonna get 50 reps of those. Remember, everything we have 3 sets of. Our final exercise, a hamstring slider. You need a towel for this one. You have to have a slippery surface. Feet go on top of the towel, lay all the way back, hands go flat on the ground, thrust your hips upward and slide them out. This one is so intense, you won't believe it until you try it. As you slide the towel out, your hamstrings get such a great burn. Yes, bring them back, thrust the hips up, slide it out, slow and controlled. What a great way to work the hamstrings without putting any strain on the joints and without any weights. There you go. After all that, your body is summer cleaned.